Hi, everybody. Trisha here, welcoming you to the Virtual Founders YouTube channel. It's a sweet mix of science and education with some entertainment thrown in, and it's all about metal, glass, and ceramic, FDM or FFF 3D printing. Everything here is packaged into playlists. Get to know the team of the Virtual Foundry in the interviews playlist. Learn more about the metal additive manufacturing industry in the playlist about the industry. Check out the how-to playlist for instructional videos and technical help. The Shop Shorts playlist offers quick looks at the shop and our partner innovators. TVF Tech Chan gets into the science and finer details of the filament process. And good old miscellaneous will show you everything else. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy watching.